Grocery prices are freaking crazy, okay? But let me show you some tips that help me keep my costs down with a family of 5. This can also work for a single person. Number one, and the thing that probably helps the most, is creating a meal plan. And I know this isn't fun, but if you sit down and do this at the beginning of the week or before you're paid, this is going to help save you a lot of money. How you do this is go through your pantry and see what do you currently have. Shop your own pantry. This is going to save you some money. Whatever you have in your pantry, you can make a list of meals for the week. Include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for the whole week. And if some of these meals are going to be eating out, you can go ahead and write that. That's okay. You can also use ChatGPT to give you a meal plan for the week. If you do use ChatGPT, just go ask it to create you a meal plan for 7 days for X amount of people, however many are in your family. Put any dietary restrictions in there to avoid, and ChatGPT can spit out a list of recipes for you. Also, create a grocery list and shop only from that list. If you're using ChatGPT to meal plan, it can also give you a grocery list. If you spend the time doing this in advance, you'll already have everything you need for the week. And if you take it one step further and actually do meal prepping, you won't even have to think about what to eat during the week. You just go grab a meal out of the fridge. 2, shop sales if possible. So if you know that this is the week that you need to buy a couple different types of meat, maybe you can look around and see which grocery store is having a sale on meat. This can help you save some money for real. 3, cash stuff your grocery money. This means that when you do your budget, you go and you get the amount of cash that you need for groceries out of the bank and you put it in an envelope. That way, when it's time to grocery shop, you take that envelope to your store along with your list that you made and you spend that money. You're not swiping your card. You're not buying a whole bunch of extra stuff. This can really help you cut down on spending. Number 4, keep a rotating list of recipes. So all of the recipes that you know you or your family really likes, keep those somewhere all together. That way, when it's time to do your meal planning, you can sit down with that list, go through it, and just pick ones at random. And it'll already have the grocery list for you because it's a whole recipe. This cuts down on decision fatigue because I know that whenever I'm trying to budget and do all the planning and all of that, the last thing I want to think about is trying to come up with a whole bunch of new meals. So my family has a rotating list. I pick from those, and it works out really well for us. 5, use discount apps or apps where you can upload your receipt and get money back on your order. I know Ibotta is a great one, but there are other ones as well. You can get cash back literally just for doing your grocery shopping, so why would you not do that? 6, shop at discount stores like Aldi, H-E-B, etc. This can seriously cut down on your grocery bill. Every single time that I go to Aldi and get groceries, I am surprised by how much I'm not spending. They don't have every single thing that I like, so I do have to go to other stores for some certain brands that my family likes, but this can seriously cut down on your spending. The whole point here is that good planning in advance equals savings. So take the time to sit down, plan out your week, plan out your meals, plan out how much money you want to spend and what stores that you want to go to. It will pay off in the long run. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any tips that you want to share about how you save money on your groceries. You got this, friend.